Yo, it's your boy Jizo back with another video, and today, one more time for you haters, man. And today, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Again, that's like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please and thank you. We got something different for you guys today, man. I'm unboxing something different for you guys today, and I'm unboxing, let's just do it, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 right now for you guys, man. Man, oh my god, the box is nice. I ain't gonna lie, I opened it, I've been using it, but hold on, look, you know what I mean? I forgot to do this part. I even got it upside down. Let me put it the right way for you guys. Put it the right way for you guys. So here we go. The back. The box is cool. This is a $2,000 phone. I got the 512 gig. I think it's 512. If I ain't mistaken, 512. A 2000. Let me get a thumbnail. $2,000 phone. What comes in the box, you wonder? This, which is a charger. No brick though, no charging brick. For $2,000, I was expecting a charging brick. For $2,000, I was expecting something. What's this in here though? AT&T stuff. So what happened was, I went to AT&T. I got AT&T. So what happened was, basically, I did a trade-in, and for any phone, any device, they was giving $1,000 off. So I got $1,000. So I paid $1,000, which I don't know how that's going to work, because again, that's what they say. So matter of fact, I need to call them and make sure that's correct. But that's what they took my phone. So yeah, they took my phone. So let's take this out the box. Little booklets and stuff. For $2,000, I think we could have had more products. Okay. So here's the phone. I need to wipe it down. Let me get a cloth. Nice. Look at the display on this thing, though. Yeah, like I said, I've been using this already. So this is. Look at that. These are basically things that I drew. So with the help of AI, let me close this thing. So look at that. Every screen has something that I drew with the help of AI. Okay, fingerprints. Comes with face unlock. I didn't turn on the face unlock yet, but fingerprint scanner, fingerprint sensor works great. You know what I mean? Fingerprint sensor works great. Quick, fast, and I'm coming from iPhone, so I'm used to doing this. And then like some days it wants to work, and some days it doesn't. Most of the time it worked though. The face thing worked most of the time. But when you fold it, the cool thing about this is, again, guys, look at the lock. Hold on. Look at the lock screen here, right? When I open up, it's a whole different lock screen, guys. And notice the real estate. And a lot of people are going to complain. You know what I mean? Look at the real estate of the screen. Oh my god. Okay. I don't like that part. So what just happened was I did mistakenly hitting the fingerprint scanner and not holding my finger on it because I'm not trying to use it. It said I had 5 attempts, but screen is nice. Look at all the real estate that you have with this phone. Don't ask me none of the specs. It works. It's an AMOLED display, HD. Everything works here. So the best part about this phone is the multitasking. Hold on, let me. Matter of fact, I don't have to use that browser. I'm glad it's 2 browsers on here, man. I don't want people seeing my shit, man. Okay, so let me show you. This is the best part. Let me show you guys. Let me open the app. So we're on Instagram. We're on Instagram, right? So if you see the bottom of you see the stuff at the bottom of the screen. Okay, the icons. So if I take, I just want to make sure I had the right thing on there before I showed you. So okay, let's do it. You see that? So if I press and hold this and I drag it across the screen, boom. Now you have 2 apps open for multitasking. Let's say, let me find another app. Let's say I want a 3rd app open. I do the same thing, hold it, figure out which side do I want it on. You see that? You see that? So now you see it's Facebook open, you see a browser open, and you see Instagram open. Now let's say I want another app open. I can drag it to the middle of the screen, and now I have, trying to make sure what this is. Okay. Drag it to the middle of the screen, now I have 4 apps open. So I have Gmail open, I have Facebook open, I have the browser open, and I have Instagram open, all at the same time, and it's all functionable. So I can show you that it's all functionable. Look at that. Function, 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 function. Everything's functionable. This is great if you do a lot of social media. It's great if you take a lot of notes. Stuff like that is cool. So I'm not really gonna like this again, like the specs and all that. Let me put this down here actually. Yeah, let's just remove it. Fuck it. I'm not gonna go into details. Like I said, man, I'm not gonna be able to tell you all the specs, the exact specs. I know this is a great display. Now let's go to the camera, because a lot of people been saying the problem with this phone is the camera. Now, a lot of people will not. I'm talking about your average user of a phone will not know the difference. Not know the difference. The average consumer of the phone, of a smartphone, will not care about the camera because the quality is still great. Now they could have put a better camera on here, but for me personally, it works. For me personally, it works. It's great videos. Let me see if I can find a picture. Let me find a picture that I took, so you guys can see that the quality on here is A1. So this is a picture I took, and the quality of picture is great. Like, a lot of people will tell you, oh, this and that, but the quality of pictures is good. Like, so again, I mean, for a lot of can we say, I don't want to call them geeks, but you know, they might have a problem with this. And again, me personally, I used to be one of those people as well, man. I used to be all into the specs, and this is important, and I probably will be getting back into that stuff too. So this has a 50 millimeter zoom. Let me see if I can take a picture real quick. Let me wipe my lens off. I don't know which lens it is, but we're gonna wipe all of them. How about that? Let's take a picture of this. So we took a picture of the bottle. I don't really want to show y'all my background, but that's the picture, man. The picture is nice, man. Picture is nice. I could have took a better picture, but the picture is nice. That was with the 50mm lens right there. I'm gonna delete that. Move the trash. Let's see. We got a 12, 50, 12. How many cameras on it? I thought it was 3 cameras. I don't know. But another cool trick with this phone, if you want to take a selfie with this phone, look at that. Y'all see that? You can use this screen to take a selfie. So you can use the back cameras to take a selfie, guys. There's a lot of features. I'm not going to get into all the features because I'm going to make another video comparing it. But let's close the phone and let's use it this way. Now, this way is... Now, I will say this about the phone. This way, it's a thin phone. It's not as wide. So, you know what? I understand why they didn't... back to the cameras, back to certain things like the S Pen is no S Pen as well, guys. No S Pen. Those things they didn't. I know why they didn't put it in here, and the reason why they didn't put those things in there is because why would you get the Samsung Ultra, 24 Ultra if they put all the features in here? You wouldn't get it. Some people might, but not as many. Everybody would just get this. Now, I will say they should have made this wider. And I understand it's probably hard because then they will have to make the whole phone will have to be wider. And they wanted to make it thin and lighter. You know what I mean? It's a little weight to this. It's a little weight to this. It's not bad though. But this phone is really thin compared to other phones. Like, you'll notice it. You know what I mean? This reminds me of an older phone. I had a ZTE one time, and it was this shape right here, man. Older phone. It reminds me of that. But is it usable? Yes, it's usable for one-hand use, because I think that's the whole point of it. Because the inside screens are so big, it's not good for one-hand use. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? So yeah, and then I guess y'all want to see the keyboard. Y'all want to see the keyboard. See, the keyboard on here is okay. You feel me? You can do all the extra stuff that you could do on thing. So now let's fold it back open and check out the keyboard. Now it's spaced apart, and I like this. At first I was like, I don't know about that. I don't know if I like that, but now I like it. You know what I mean? I do. I really like it. So I should have just put the phone this way, but I can't really show you guys. Yeah, I like it though, man. It's really what's in there. So matter of fact, I can't show you. It's hard to type like this though. I didn't even think about that. Let me wipe this lens off too. Let me wipe that lens off real quick. Okay. Wrong button. See, it's easy to type on here. You know what I mean? It's easy to type on here. I don't want y'all to think it's not. You know what I mean? It's easy to type. I just can't type. It's just weird and awkward typing right now. So, like, it's really easy to type on here. So, again, let me show you. Boom. Look at that. You can set this to have to lock actually when you close it, but I decided not to have that feature. But again, so you guys can see, Double tap. Oh shit! There we go. Double tap to wait. You have a different screen. So you see it's locked. I have a different screen right here. You understand what I'm saying? Hold on, man. Alright, there you go. And I have a different screen right here. Yeah. So, I don't know what I said.
Moldy.
I don't know if that was a good review or not. You guys leave it in the comments. Tell me. I really didn't talk too much about all the features. Again, oh, let me show y'all this feature, man. My bad, y'all. I should have showed y'all this feature. I'm gonna just show y'all this one, and we'll call it a day. Okay. Let me hit the button. Okay. So y'all see that? Swipe the screen over. Up. Let me move the camera back. One more feature. Alright, so if I swipe over, hit this button right there. Now it says draw something, right? So let's draw something. Draw eyes. There. That's why you need the S Pen. I'll just do the face. So now you see it says 3D. I can change this to pop art, sketch, you know what I mean? Other things, but I like 3D cartoon, so AI generated. With the help of AI, I just created a masterpiece. Yeah, guys, I just created a masterpiece. Look. And we can actually go back. Let's do pop art. See what that do. So this is pretty cool, man. This is pretty cool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So like I said, I got one of the pictures that I drew right there, cartoon generated or whatever generated, AI generated, and yeah. So when I close my screen, that time it locked for some reason. But when I close my screen, it's a different home screen, a different wallpaper. Let me go back. Different home screen, different wallpaper. Open it up. I don't know why I went on that. Okay. Open it up, different home screen. And you have more to scroll through. It's crazy, right? Yeah. So again, this phone is top tier. This phone is top tier. So now that I know I should be recording like this when I do these videos. Huh. That's nice, man. Y'all work with me with this stuff, man. This is a big screen, guys. I had this for a while, few days, not a week yet, but I had it for a while. And man, I'm telling you guys, I haven't put this phone down. I'm not gonna lie to you. As you see my case right here, you see one of my piece of my case, right there. So yeah, I'm out, guys. Peace.